Ayan na agad. Sorry po. Ayan. Yung hindi, ganun nyo lang po. Kasi sa hair.
Kaka-ready.
Maghihintay lang po muna kami ng mga papasok. Hello! Hello mga kapatid! Hi to my one viewer still. I'm waiting. Hans Adriano is watching. Hi Hans. Annyeong. Okay, so while we're waiting, I shall introduce myself. Hi guys, I'm Marcy Munoz and I'm 25 years old. Yes, sa Itbulaga kasi hinulaan yung age ko. 25 lang daw ako. 23! Oh, thank you. And hindi ko kayo nalimutan yung name niya. Ava, that's her name. She guessed it right. That's my brain. Hi, Akel. Hi, Jesusa. Boss AR is watching. Hi, everybody. Divino de Guzman, yo, shout out to you too. Let's go. So I'm here to answer questions from our kapatid. So yung mga nanonood, you can ask me anything aside from math. Yes. Kyle Bailon, shout out to you. Joshua Santos, hello everybody. So if ever you guys have any questions, TV5, hi mga kapatid, quick kamustahan. Yes, we have our show which will be airing this May 24. So before that, while waiting for other people to enter our chat, I shall answer questions from the Meow Pouch. Yes, so I am the Meow Pouch. Bumunot kung matapang. Sa loob nito, wacky questions, perplexing prompts, and challenges sa may konting kalokohan, konting kaba, at maraming meow mental tip. Say meow and pet out our furry friend muna para mas friendly. Ayan, okay. Ang haba. Binasa ko talaga. Yes. Binasa ko talaga, di ba? Okay na po. Ayan. Nico Cabales. Hi, RC. How is your expectation working? Oh! How is... your experience. 10 years ago, oh my gosh, 10 years ago, working with Kuya John and Echo is such a wonderful trip. I was a youngster 10 years ago. I was like 26, and I was given that very important, heavy role with really good actors. So it's very challenging. Dahil napakahusay, pati director namin, napakahusay. So hindi ako pwedeng maging hindi magaling din. Divino de Guzman, oh, thank you so much. So, yeah, kung may mga questions pa kayo. Pero unahin ko itong si Meow Pouch. Bunot lang ako. Hi, everybody. Are you ready? Okay. Oh! Give a K-drama title for Bulalo. Oh. Kakainin kita kahit mamatay ako. Ay, hindi, ano ba yun? Nakakabata. Ganon. Kasi maaga ka madidens pag everyday ka kumain ng bulalo. Sabi niya, super inggit ako. Naka-work niyo si Ji Chang-wook. Sabi ni Carl Joseph. Ako rin nga parang di ako makapaniwala hanggang ngayon na friends kami. Diba? A skincare reveal naman. Oh! I am using Bloomy. So, I'll be launching my own skincare product very soon. Abangan niyo po yan. Kyle Bailon, yo, what's up? Shout out. So, let's pick another one, shall we? Or do you have questions? Guys, 120 people who's watching right now. Cheryl. Hello, good afternoon, Cheryl. Opulencia. What's up, Ketchup? So, ito pa, isa pa. Magbunot tayo ulit kay Meow Pouch. Dahil wala pa kayong mga tanong. Kanya nga sa'yo. What did you learn as a Filipino while being in Kumusta? Really disciplined. Koreans, they were so professional. They're all very professional. So, nakakahiya naman, di ba? Na mauna pa si Jay Chang Wook sa'yo. Hindi nila nahulaan age ko kanina. Hindi, di ba? Mukha kasi daw akong 23 na. Hinanap ko nga si Ava. Kukunin ko na yun. Oo, isa siyang angel. Char. Taga saan ka ba? Secret. May asawa ka na ba? Oo, meron. Si Gojo Satoru. Labo ka usap eh. Siya ang aking husband do. You know, Gojo? Ryuki Tenkai. Ano ba yung value na? What does it mean to be an all-rounder sa kamusta? So, I'm like everywhere in the cafe. I do everything. I'm in the kitchen. I'm serving. So, basically everything. I love to cook. I love being in the kitchen. It's my happy place. So, I'm really grateful for Kumusta, for at least considering me to be part of the show. At hindi nila nahulaan age mo kanina. Kaya nga, Joshua, yun na nga, di ba? Pero thank you, nanood kayo. So, mukha akong principal. Hindi, mukha akong student. Lolita yan. Girl, Lolita. You should see my platform, my shoes. Oo. Principal ako, kinik out na kita. Jarot. Okay. Wait. Mars, Balido. Manonood ka ba ng BTS concert dito sa Pilipinas? Ikaw, manonood ka ba? Kung manonood ka, manonood ako. Charot. Ito, love the green outfit. Gray po yung outfit ko kanina. Green! Teka, bunot na nga tayo dito sa ating box. Ayan, so ito box ng ating box office kapatid. Let's go! Yan, ikaw ang bida, kaya roll camera na sa kwento. Naku, medyo ito daw ang mga... Naku, RJ! Hahanapin talaga kita. 18 lang daw ako. Alam mo, sabi rin ni Tito Sen, mali daw lahat ulan na dapat daw 18 na. Andre Plaza. Good afternoon po, Ate RC, watching from QC. Cyril C, kumusta katrabaho si Chin? She's our baby, so we have to take good care of her. But it's always, I'm glad nakasama ko yung mga sisters ko there. Ate Jody, Janela, they all did great. Yes, so yeah, bubunot na ako dito. Dun. So, ano kaya ito? Okay. Mayroon bang interaction with Korean customer na pinaka tumatak sa'yo and genuinely na-touch ka? Korean customer? All of them actually, we had positive reaction kapag nakatitikman nila yung Filipino food. So, lahat ng pumasok doon was very memorable. Especially, may isang opera singer na she offered us operatic song, and I am a big fan of opera. So, yeah, and theater, I love that. So, Patty Paturi, oh, thank you so much. Yes, let's watch BTS. Oh, let's go. I'll go with you guys. So, shall we answer another question from the box office box? Box office box? Ano ba yun? Di pa kasi ako naglalunch eh. Nagugutom ako. Lumalutang natin utak ko. Hi, Roy Malan! And Rosa Talosig. Ito pa, isa pang tanong. Mula sa ating box office kapatid. Ano ang pinaka-Pinoy thing na nangyari during filming ng Kumusta? Yung nasunog yung bulalo. Bulalo nasunog pa. Ewan ko ba, Chef JP Nako, yan ang test ng yung husay. Ay, naku, ba't ko sinabi? Di alam nyo na. Basta panoorin nyo. Abangan nyo na lang doon kung saan. Oo. Ako ang iyong principal, Paolo Apostol. Tama. Welcome sa pag-live mo, Rowie Malansian. Shout out. Okay. So, isa pa? Isa pang bunot ba? Ay, ganun. My gosh. Yung 101 nanonood. I'm sorry, gotta wrap up. But, sige, I'll wait for... Uy, sino daw kasama ko dito? Andito yung best friend ko, si Coris. Hi, ate. Execration. Uy! Wow, hello! Exec? Yung mga kasama ko Mobile Legends? Kayo ba yan? Baka kayo mga team ko Oo. Wow. O, sige, ito na. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. It's such a... I'm so happy na you joined me here. So, again, gusto ko po sana kayong imbitahan lahat. This May 24 na po ang show namin na Kamusta. Kasama po namin syempre dyan ang Korean superstar si Ji Chang-wook. Matitest ang kanyang patience sa kusina, hindi sa actingan kasi we all know he's such a good actor. Pero ito naman, it's a different side of him. And also, I'm gonna be with Ate Jody, Francine, and Janella. So, thank you so much. Abangan po ninyo and I hope you support Kumusta. And only here sa TV5. Thank you so much. 안녕. 안녕히 가세요.